Are you getting in trouble again? I said, you getting in trouble again? You heard me. You're trying to bug the rabbit, ain't you? You want to beat up the rabbit, don't you? You got a problem? No, I don't got a problem. Do you got a problem? You like Harry Potter? You like Harry Potter? You're picking on that poor rabbit down here. You're trying to beat up Oreo the rabbit, ain't you? No, that's the rabbit's water dish. You can't mess that up. No, SpongeBob's not on right now. And neither are you going to rip my good poster of Rocky either. If you even think about it. Hello? No! I know you want to beat up my Rocky. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Hey, doesn't that look good? Oh, now you discovered the camera. Doesn't that look good? Ah! I don't think so. Give me 5. Step up. Give me 5. Uh-oh. Give me 5. Give me 5. Diego, give me 5. Good bird. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, you're getting by my Rocky again. Hey, you little crap.